how to create your Advcash account step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be creating our Advcash or Advcash account. So let's get straight into this. So you're going to come over to advcash.com and it says e-wallet loaded with features. So you're just going to click on create free account now. And here it's going to bring you here. So you're just going to make sure to do a security check of yourself and it's going to redirect you to the registration page. So over here, it's going to ask for a few things. So we're just going to go ahead and add all those things over here. So let's say firstly over here, we're going to add our name, then we're going to add our email. And you're going to make sure to add a password for yourself. So we've added a password, drag the slider and all. And once you do that, you're going to click on register. And basically from there, once you've added all the emails and added all the verifications, basically it's probably going to be sending you a verification system email. And you're obviously going to make sure to check if it's a personal account or if it's a normal business account. Now I'm just going to go over to my Gmail to confirm. So as I confirm, it tells me to log in to my account. So I'm just going to reload the page. And once you do this, as you can see, my account has been created. So that is basically how we are going to go ahead and create our basic account on our Advcash. So thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.